every time, merong mga bago kaming tinatry. So like for this one is, siguro yung pinakabago for us is the round. Yeah, different approach.
Mas eager, mas passionate siya. Yung DP namin yung concept, parang last na siya eh. Tsaka yun nga, yung concept, yung setup, parang first time din namin ito. Ganun kasi yung security already. Yung ganun kabigat na visual effects and ganun concept talaga na mahirap siya mag-pull off, especially sa ganitong klaseng medyo mahirap yung resources here, but somehow na-pull off namin siya ng maayos. Hindi siya corny, hindi siya cringe, like nasa perfect balance siya na-pull off ng maayos and maganda yung approach and hindi siya cringy. So,
Ibig din na hindi lang kami nag-mature eh, pati yung listeners nag-mature.
Siguro hindi namin siya namamalayan na papalapit. Mamaya na pala yung release na pero right now, na sinasabi ko siya, we're really, really excited kasi syempre, it's something na pinagtrabahuhan ng lahat na nakakolaborate namin. Team, iba na other producers. So it's something na I'm really proud of. And we can't wait na mapakinggan siya ng mga tao na sumusuporta sa parang every era, like for example, it's definitely the experimentation era because it's the first album that we ever released na kami talaga yung gumawa. Meaning, kasi yung first album talaga namin, it's Get in the Zone, but it's management. Pero this time, pag parang hindi talaga namin inaalam kung sino kami sa estimating, siguro maraming exploration, maraming even yung hindi naman first time, but siguro choreographed by members, tapos first time na-meet si Kuya Jay, yung mentor namin yun, for Pagsipo. So everything is like, parang getting into place or trying to build. Tapos pagdating sa pagtatag, dun talaga nasubok yung makatataga namin. Parang, there were lots of problems. Pero, ayun, parang every year, it presents us different challenges. So, for simula at Tokas, parang we're at a point na sobrang excited kami for the ending, but at the same time, we're trying to anticipate what's next. So, ganun yung feeling namin na parang lahat na nangyari, sobrang bilis, sobrang grand. Paano pa natin ito after this? So, I guess this era is an ending, but there's definitely a beginning.
After nila pakinggan yung kanta, magtatanong ulit, what's next?
So what's next?
And then,